Hi everyone! It has been quite some time since I did my last special effects makeup video, so today I'm going to do just that. I was scrolling through Pinterest to get some ideas to try out some new things and whatnot, and I came across this really creepy smile. So I'm going to grab my liquid latex and makeup and we're going to get to it. Alright, so I'm all prepped and ready to go. Hair pulled back, apron on. Got my liquid latex here, some Q-tips, cotton, makeup, which I'll pull out and everything, and these awesome teeth. So, alright, let's see how this goes. It looked really awesome online, so we'll see what I can do here. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take my liquid latex and just start going, making the big smile, outlining it. Oh, I forgot how bad this stuff smells. I want to make it a little wide, make it a little evil. I actually miss doing this. I need to do more of these. I just haven't had the time until now, so I'm gonna get back into it. Like keeping Halloween alive all year round. Alright, now that we got that done, got my mirror done, I'm gonna take my unraveled cotton balls here that I did prior to and just start sticking it on the liquid latex. Oh, trying to stay in frame. Santa Claus here. Alright, I can pull the excess off. We're going to add more liquid latex on the top of that. Kind of shape it a little bit. Going up my nose. Alright. There you go. Try to do this a little. Try to do it a little quick, but. Alright. Oh, a little too early for that. Take Halloween over Christmas. Not that there's anything wrong with Christmas, I just prefer the spooky season, of course. If you're familiar with the channel, you know that my love for horror and Halloween. Alright, it's a great look for me. Might sport this all year round. Alright. I'm not gonna worry too much about the excess because we can work with that. Now my mouth's starting to water, that's fun. Ah! Messy. Alright. After that, get rid of. Oops. Okay. After that, I'm gonna take another layer. Yeah, words. Another layer of liquid latex and put over the top of the cotton we put down. Like I said, haven't done this one before, and it's been a while since I've done any kind of makeup, so. And it doesn't have to be perfect looking because it's just gonna be a fucked up smile, so. And I want it to be a little puffy, like scarring, so. A little jacked up. The gorier the better. That sound right. And I forgot to bring my blow dryer out here with me. So I am going to go grab the blow dryer to hurry up the blow drying process here. And then we'll get to the painting part. So I'm gonna paint the inside of my mouth black, kind of black it out a little bit, and then we'll start putting the teeth in, and then we'll get to the gory goodness. All right, be right back. All right, so we got it set, and I put a little bit of my setting powder on top of it, get rid of the tackiness. I blow dried it a little bit on cool heat, so it would go a little bit quicker. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on, try to, yep, words. Get it blend a little better to match my skin. So let me find the right brush. I have stuff everywhere, I should show you guys, but alright. So I'm just gonna take my foundation and just put it over and try to blend as much as possible here. I start drooling on myself. That's attractive. Alright. Yes. It is what it is here. I'm gonna be able to talk here in a little bit, so that part I'll speed up. I think I speed it up a little bit. This feels so weird. It feels like I have one of those skin mask on. Good enough for me. Feels so weird. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of my powder on over this. We're going to bloody it up anyway, so not too concerned about it. I'm making such a mess. The only part I don't like about the whole makeup thing is the cleanup. The rest is fine. Alright, so I'm going to take some of my black makeup here, and we're just going to kind of fill in here. That creepiness going. Hollow it out. And getting the makeup off afterward is also a lot of fun. Especially on my liquid paper white skin. It does not like to come off sometimes. I've got to place the teeth here next, and then we'll put the blood on. Well, I don't know if y'all can hear that. The wind is kicking outside. Very sunny, hot day here in Florida, but the wind is blowing like crazy. Alright, I think we are good there. Alright, looks cool enough. Alright, so now we want to start placing our teeth. This is going to be the fun part. So, I'll take my little twofers here. Put a little liquid latex on. We'll see how this goes. So I have not done anything like this before. So I'm just gonna start sticking the teeth. Oh, I put the wrong tooth. Oh well. Doesn't matter. Grab the wrong one, but it is what it is. I think I'm gonna leave it like that, a little jacked up. I'll put a little bit more. Oh, lost one. Probably should be talking while I'm doing this. Alright, so there's my teeth placement. Gonna let this dry a little bit and then go through and put a little bit more makeup on, and then we'll put the gore on. Alright, be right back. Alright, we got that dried. I can barely talk now, so I'm just gonna go through and put some red in here, and then we're gonna fill in the blood, and that will be our makeup for the day. So let's go ahead and just do all that. Isn't it good? They're stuck together. Scab gel. Awesome stuff. Alright, my friends, there you have it. My first creepy makeup in I don't know how long. Yeah, never trust a discount dentist. Alright, my friends, if you like what you saw here today, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to drop any recommendations in the comment section below of any other makeups you'd like me to try to do. Again, have a lot of fun doing this. Check out all the links located in the description below this video. And until next time, my friends, have a great night.